Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you 5 tips and tricks to extend your battery life. So first of all, go into the settings, and once you enter into the settings you will see this option of display, the green color icon. Just enter into the display, and the very first setting is about dark mode. So guys, the light mode takes a lot more power and battery, but the dark mode on the other hand consumes less battery and it will save your battery. So if you set it to the dark mode, your phone consume a lot less battery. Okay, so the second thing is about adaptive brightness. Okay, so adaptive brightness, you have to turn it on. Okay, so basically the adaptive brightness changes the brightness on your phone according to the light setting. So if it is lighter or darker, it will change accordingly. It will give you the optimal brightness to your screen. Okay, so the next thing, the third tip is about motion and smoothness. So guys, in motion and smoothness you have two options. One is adaptive and one is standard. So the adaptive is 120 hertz. On the other hand, the standard is 60 hertz. But in adaptive it gives you more smoothness, but it will consume a lot more battery as well. Okay, so if you want to extend your battery, you want to save your phone battery, you can set it to standard. Okay, so you can see over here it's written get longer battery life with 60 hertz screen resolution. So guys, if you set it to standard, it will consume less battery and it gives your phone a longer battery life. But if you want more smoother experience, you can set it to the adaptive as well. Okay, so the number four thing is the screen timeout option. So you can see over here on the display there is a screen timeout option. So you can see over here it is currently set to 10 minutes. Okay, so you can set it to 30 seconds. So it will give you the extra battery life because it will save your screen time out. Okay, but in Z Flip, if you flip down the phone, the screen will also turn off. So by that you can also save your battery. So it's up to you, whichever option you want to use. So the next thing is about protect battery option. So you have to go back into the settings. Okay, so I will go back to the settings. Okay, and once you enter into the settings, you will see an option of battery and device care. Okay, so you can see over here it's written over here battery and device care. Just select it, and then the very first option over here it says battery, so you have to select the battery option. And once you scroll down at the end, you will see an option of more battery settings. Okay, so in the more battery settings, the very last option over here it says protect battery. So guys, if you enable it, it will charge your phone till 85%. Okay, so that will extend the battery, and this will extend the battery life of your phone. So your phone will, if you put it on charge, it will only charge till 85%. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel.